guys! Kamusta? I'm si Pretty's back. So for today's video, we're going to do another music reaction video. And this is the very first time that I make of the reaction of Bunny Fabiola. And she is an Indonesian girl. But before that, please do check out of Bunny Fabiola channel. So nasa description box ang kanyang link, guys. So what's gonna do? Let's go. This is 12 days ago, and the cover is Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. Oh wow, what a nice song cover. Let's go, guys. Huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's go jump right into the video, guys. pag napapakinggan ko siya at napapanood ko tuwing nagka-cover siya, kasi Bunny Babiola was making a cover that like old song, mga ganyan. So every time, hindi naman na lagi-lagi natin napapakinggan yung mga old song, pero mas masarap pa rin pakinggan at balik-balikan yung kanyang mga cover, kasi nga she is a fan of old songs. So that's it for today's, guys. And if you like this cover reaction video, and if you like my reaction video, please don't forget to check out of Bunny Babiola. And if you're new here in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you on my next one, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.